Rock bottom is not the end of the world. It is the foundation that can form the greatest growth of your life. Rock bottom forces you to dig deeper. It forces you to let go of who you wanted to be so you can work towards someone far greater, the real you, the greatest version of yourself. But you don't have to wait to hit rock bottom. You can decide right now. Where you are right now is your rock bottom. This is the lowest standard because from this moment you commit to grow every single day. It's time to reinvent yourself. It's time to set a new standard for your life. It's time to let go of the old you and work and work and work until the new you shines through. You have more inside. I know you can sense it. You aren't going to get it by wishing. You can't think it into existence. You must work it into existence. Right there. That is where most give up. That is where most make excuses. And where the minority dig deeper and fight for their new self. Who are you? It's time to say I'm back. You can knock me down, but you will never knock me out. It's time to rise into the new you. It's time to start acting like the winner that is inside you. There's a greater you inside you. Let go of the old you. You're done with that version. It's time to step up. Let's go. Yes, it's hard. Life is hard. You're not the only one with challenges. You wouldn't be the first to give up, but I know you're not going to do that. There's a fire in you. There's something deep inside. I know you sense it. You wouldn't be listening to this if you didn't. Find that fire and light this world up with the passion that is inside you. If you're at rock bottom, if you're in a low moment, know it will pass. And know if you keep going and commit to self-growth, you'll not only get through it, you will be better for it. Repeat after me. Today is my rock bottom. It's the very lowest point of my life because I am committed to grow every day. Not every now and then. Every single day. Every single day. Today, I reinvent myself. My standards are great because my results must be better. I will fight for those I love, not for material reasons, but to set the example, to instill in them a standard of excellence, a standard of greatness, a standard of self-mastery, a standard of self-pride, of integrity. No, I will not stop. This is my life, my destiny, my legacy. I am back. This is the real me. If I'm going to succeed, it's up to me. If I'm going to become the greatest version of me, better than anyone thought I could be, it is up to me. It is up to me. It is up to me.